Come on, look out for that guy. You getting tired, Jeb? We're gonna leave you at the bottom now. Good boy, Jeb. Good boy. Hey, can you pull on it again? You want me to pull you again? Yeah, you hold on tight. Come on, Jeb. Come on, Jeb. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, be careful. You don't want to have him like that. Jeb, come on, over here. Heel. Come on, Jeb. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, Jeb. Come on, buddy. Come on. We're okay. Okay, let me have Jeb. Come here. Come here.
I don't want to go back.
What do you mean?
I don't want to go back.
Do you want to do another lift?
No.
No? You want to go back? What do you want to do?